Hello! I'm here with Amma, we're at Marley Sounds, and I'd like to show you a little something we discovered about CDJ 2000 jog wheel. It's currently connected by advanced HID via USB, running into here. And in preferences you can see that we have the Pioneer CDJ 2000 mapped as a track, sync and remote control source. So, right now Amma has got this very cool template, some dummy clips, operator, got a little bit of panning going on there so it sounds a bit wider, and it's generating white noise. And as you can hear from these dummy clips, it's currently mapped. Amma, do your thing. Struggling holding the phone. Yep, and yeah, keep going. Yeah, there you go. Jumping around very nicely. Right, and let's stop for a bit. Cool. So, this jog wheel on the 2000 is quite amazing because it has a bit of an elastic property. When you map something, for example, let's take the frequency on a frequency shifter. Let's map it to the jog wheel on CDJ. Okay, so that's all mapped. Alright, let me go back here. I'm not going to play anything, but as you can see, when we jog it forward, it somehow returns magically back. So, let's see what this guy sounds like. I'll hold the camera while Amma does his magic. Alright, jump back to master. Oh! Let go? Oh yeah. Thank you. Enjoy.